Australia's skilled migration program for Western Australia is now open for applications for 2024-25. While several states and territories have announced their nomination allocations, they are not yet open for application. Western Australia has a fantastic state-nominated migration program available for 2024-25 that aims to attract highly skilled individuals from all around the world. Whether you're considering migrating to Western Australia now, this video will guide you as you plan to secure your place in one of Australia's most exciting regions. In this video, we will go over the most recent list of priority occupations that are eligible for skilled migration in Western Australia, as well as possible pathways, selection criteria, and the application process. Western Australia priority occupations. Due to the widespread skills need in Western Australia, first priority will be given to individuals working in the following industries: healthcare and social services, building and construction, education, and hospitality. Prospective immigrants with jobs that fit into these priority categories ought to apply as soon as possible, since their chances of being nominated are very high. For their selected stream and nominated visa, all prospective candidates must have a skilled occupation that meets the requirements given on the Western Australia Skilled Migration Occupations list. Before submitting an application for a state nomination, each candidate must also have a valid skills evaluation for their qualified vocation. What are the available visa options? The Western Australia State Nominated Migration Program offers two subclasses of visas: the Skilled Nominated Subclass 190 visa, which permits permanent residency and employment in Australia, and the Skilled Work Regional Subclass 491 visa. With a 491 visa, you can live, work, and study in a certain geographical area of Australia for up to 5 years, and after 3 years, you can apply for permanent residence. English language requirement for state nomination. The Department of Home Affairs sets the requirements for English language proficiency, and they accept test results from tests administered at secure testing facilities, including IELTS, Pearson Test of English, Cambridge English, also known as C1 Advanced, Occupational English Test, and TOEFL IBT. The minimal level of English language competency needed to be nominated by a state under the 2024-25 State Nominated Migration Program is Competent English. How do you apply for a Western Australia nomination? Please note that you must fulfill both the requirements set out by the Department of Home Affairs for the nominated visa and the State of Western Australia for state nomination in order to be eligible for an invitation under the Western Australia State Nominated Migration Program. To apply for the Western Australia State Nominated Migration Program, you can take the following actions. 1. Submit an expression of interest. Use Skill Select to submit an EOI for a state nomination, and don't forget to add all the necessary details such as your age, the English proficiency requirements, the points you received, the skill evaluation, etc. Your EOI will be rated based on occupation and location. Western Australian candidates will be given first priority, followed by those from other Australian states and those from outside Australia. 2. Wait for an invitation. While it is expected that invitations for the Western Australia state nomination would be done on a monthly basis, the number of invitations distributed may vary depending on the amount of applications that are being evaluated. If you are invited, Western Australia will provide you with a link to the state nomination application form. 3. Apply for your state nomination. You must be nominated by an Australian state or territory under the State Nominated Migration Program in order to be eligible for specific skilled migration visas that allow you to live and work in Western Australia. You have 28 days to finish your application and acknowledge that you will work, reside, and settle in Western Australia if you file for Western Australia state nomination. 4. Get your nomination and submit your visa application. Western Australia will nominate you in Skill Select if your state nomination application is accepted, and you will then get an invitation from Home Affairs to submit an application for the desired visa. Your visa application must be filed within 60 days after the invitation date, and you may submit it using your IMI account. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching.